Essential acting lesson for beginners. Making strong choices. Actors gather around. Have you ever watched a performance so powerful that you forgot you were watching a performance? I'm talking about those actors who make bold, unforgettable choices, where every line, every movement, every stare feels electric. Well, guess what? That magic doesn't happen by accident. It's all about making strong acting choices. And today, I'm going to show you how to go from meh to mesmerizing on stage and screen. But first, have you ever completely blanked on stage? Or regretted a really bad acting choice? Tell me your most embarrassing acting moment in the comments, because we've all been there. What are strong acting choices? All right, so what do I mean by strong choices? Let's say your line is, "I can't believe you did that." A weak choice? Just saying it flatly like you're ordering coffee. A strong choice? Maybe you whisper it like it's a secret. Maybe you yell it like you're on the verge of tears. Maybe you laugh while saying it, which makes it 10 times creepier. See the difference? Acting is about taking risks. If you feel uncomfortable, you're probably onto something great. But how do you choose which choices will make you shine and which ones will make your director cry inside? The what if technique. There's one simple trick to making bolder choices. Ask yourself, what if? What if my character is hiding something? What if they just got terrible news right before this scene? What if they secretly love the person they're yelling at? The what if. Technique makes your performance more layered. And trust me, layers equal unforgettable performances. Real quick, if you're enjoying this, just know you clearly have great taste. And if you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, I guarantee your acting will level up instantly. If you don't subscribe, I might be forced to make the weakest acting choice ever for the rest of this video. And nobody wants that. Okay, I'll go back to making strong choices. But seriously, subscribe, hit the bell, and let's get back to it. Using your body and voice. Acting isn't just about the words, it's about how you use your body and voice to make your choices stronger. See the difference? Good acting isn't just in your face, it's in your hands, your posture, your breathing. Same goes for your voice. Practice challenge. 1 line, 3 ways. All right, challenge time. I want you to take this line, "You can't be serious," and perform it 3 different ways. Maybe one's angry, one's sarcastic, one's completely heartbroken. Now it's your turn. Try it. Record yourself and tell me in the comments which version felt the best. And hey, post it on TikTok and tag me. I want to see your best take. Summary and next steps. So, let's recap. Strong choices make acting unforgettable. Ask what if to add layers. Use your body and voice to enhance performance. Challenge yourself to experiment. You're not just playing a character, you are the character. So next time you perform, go big, go bold, and own that moment. Hit like if you learned something new today. And for your next lesson, check out this video right here, where I break down how to crush your first audition.